Truth be told, as an artist, I know exactly what it's like to be tired of performing, and I don't want you to feel like you have to do that. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I'm here with you. Welcome back to 30 Days of Pouring Into Ourselves. We're here in this together to show up and inspire change within, because we're just gorgeous, beautiful humans that just want to spread love and light into the world. And if you're here, I love you very much, and I hope that you get whatever out of this that you need to. But don't forget to like this video, because I really like you and I think we're developing a bond, and it would be a shame if you just left like this early on in the relationship. Like, honestly, I would be simply crushed. Anyways, back to the video. Today I had so many thoughts and feelings. I'm like been journaling, just been doing some self-care, been sitting just and thinking, and I'm like, I love doing this. I love showing up and being here no matter how long of a day I've had. I'm still editing and I'm still doing this because I know that it means more to show up in a way like this for me and for you. Like, there's something about keeping that essence of integrity for self that I'm glad that I can do and provide for you. Personally, this is just about showing up no matter what. Y'all have seen me come on here full face of makeup, have seen me on here no makeup, crusty, crusty. No, not crusty, never looking crusty. But honestly, the point of all this is just to keep it real, to show up how you are. No matter what, at the end of the day, it is very important to show up for yourself. So, jumping into the song of the day, it's Living Room Flow by Janae Aiko. I don't have to stay till morning. I don't have to pack no clothes. Today I've just felt in flow, and it feels like I'm in a living room, so it's giving living room flow. But jumping into picking your brain for the day, I wrote this. Oh,
it was at this moment that she knew she up.
I'm too excited. Everybody just, okay, we're all good, I promise. I was excited because I wrote it down. Okay, can you identify one or two things that you swear you've tried to make time for it, but that is difficult for you to make time for it? I want to go ahead and give you some advice if you want some. If you don't want any, that's fine, but I found that it's definitely easier to find solutions when you invite another energy, and that is totally up to you. You don't have to trust me with your business. I get it. But I know when I'm stuck sometimes or in a funk sometimes, it's great to be able to bounce energy off of another person. And sometimes I ask the questions that you need to hear to allow yourself to come up with a solution for yourself. So that's what I would do, is just ask the right questions per se. But diving into the affirmations section of the day, I know we're already here, but I'm trying to get this video out to you sooner and sooner. So today we're actually diving back into the chakras. We're going to the solar plexus chakra. I realized that we've been talking about chakras and balancing them using these affirmations, but not really diving into like what they mean or what they're in control of. So today the solar plexus chakra is our energy center of fire. So it's between like our belly button and our rib cage area, and it's responsible for digestion. And when it's balanced, we feel confident, we feel self-motivated, and feel like we have a sense of purpose. It brings energy, warmth, light, all that good jazz. So we want to keep that in line, that in check. So now we can move forward with the intention to balance this chakra and allow ourselves to feel more confident, to feel more self-motivated, to feel like we have more of a sense of purpose in this life as we live in our temples. But without further ado, it's time to take those breaths. Breathe in with me, and make sure on your third breath, the last breath, you take it as deep as possible. Ready? And inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Last one, make it deep. And inhale. And exhale. Feel free to repeat after me, or just listen as I speak light into your life. I feel calm, powerful, and confident. I feel ready to embrace challenge. I feel motivated to pursue my purpose. I am ambitious and capable. The only thing that I need to control is how I respond to situations. I am thankful for my unique qualities. I want to move this. This is not giving. I am whole and complete. I am a radiant being who brings light energy to life. I genuinely celebrate the success of others because I know that I have room for myself and others. I move in the energy of abundance, and it is clear jealousy has no place in my heart or my mind. We're going to say that one more time. Jealousy has no place in my heart or my mind. I am motivated, persistent, and successful. I am content with my life. The more I do, the more I feel my essence of purpose showing up. I am thankful for my unique qualities. I am thankful for my unique qualities as they make me who I am. I dismiss any thoughts of comparison because I know that I am one of one and there is no need to compete when I am already complete. I'm Dr. Seuss. I'm gonna hold you. I am beautiful inside and out. And that beauty is easy to see beyond. I am important. I am worthy of love and have so much of it to give. I am worthy of happiness. I am worthy of success. Joy is my birthright. I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you. You sound a little better every time. I deserve to be paid well for my skills. I am multifaceted and ever evolving. I allow myself to show up as myself. Because that is the highest form of respect that exists. I am supported in all that I do in life. It is easy for me to receive support. because of who I am and the light I carry. With anything I do, people run to support me. People are eager to show up for me because of who I am. People are eager to show up for me, to support me because of who I am. One last time for the people in the back. People are eager to show up for me and support me because of who I am. I know that's right. I am beautiful, intelligent, fun, and full of life. I know that my opinion matters most. At least when it comes to you, 110%. People value my work, my time, and my energy. People value my work, my time, and my energy. I am cherished because of the energy that I carry. I am cherished because of the essence and the light that I carry. No one can do it like me. No one can do it like me. And that is what makes me truly special. I have the power to create the life that I want. And will continue to speak life into my life. And will continue to speak life into my life. Oh my God, what am I saying? Okay. There's absolutely nothing out of my reach. There's absolutely nothing out of my reach. Every day my belief of self is growing stronger. Every day my belief of self is growing stronger. I love that. Currently, I am attracting wonderful things into my life. And I am so excited to see them manifest. My dreams are coming into my reality. And I am confident that they will happen. And I am confident that they will happen. Yeah? You gotta say it like you mean it. Come on. That's why we're here. You think you're talking nonsense? You think you're just saying words? No. This right here.
This right here is my swag.
This is where the work happens. This is where the magic happens. My body is beautiful exactly the way it is. And I will continue to treat myself with respect. Because I am a goddess. And I deserve to be loved and cared for how I would care for myself. I want to thank you guys for spending some time with me today. See, I gave y'all a video when the sun was up. I can't wait to do it tomorrow. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And don't be too hard on yourself. That's what I will say. There's enough pressure in the atmosphere. The least you could do is relax. Breathe easy. Breathe easy. Take your time. If you have time. We have to decompress as much as we can. There is so much. So I hope that these videos do something for you. If not, I don't know, girl. Why are you still here? I'm joking. Okay, bye.